I have a Magic Chef countertop ice maker. I cleaned and vacuumed out the inside of machine, and when I plugged it in it would not work. It only read fill water. What happened and how do I fix it?
When did you last replace your Magic Chef ice maker's water filter? How old is the ice maker?
The ice maker's is 10 months old, that is when we got it, and I did not know we had to change a filter. Where is the filter?
How long has this been going on with your Magic Chef ice maker? What have you tried so far?
I cleaned it last weekend and it started saying fill water. I have not tried anything because I did not want to break it.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Now that was it.
Hi, my name is I have been in the repair field for over 20 years. I am sorry you are having issues. I will be glad to help you today. One of the most common causes for portable ice makers not making ice is it's not getting any water. At the bottom of the water reservoir, you are going to notice a small hole. This small hole is the water intake and where the water is pumped into the small tray at the top of your ice maker where the freon points are submerged in water. You want to make sure that this small hole isn't plugged, and that water is getting to where it needs to be. Sometimes debris can plug this hole and stop the water from being pumped up to the small holding tray. If there is no water for those freon dips to be submerged into, then you're not going to have any ice.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.